It's Food Brainwash, boosting your cooking knowledge. In today's episode, we're making delicious apple pie made with Granny Smiths. Let's make our pastry. Sift the flour into your bowl. Make a well in the centre of the flour. Add your cold butter. Next, add the icing sugar and then rub your butter and icing sugar and flour together. It will look like breadcrumbs when it is finished. Make a well in the centre and add your ice cold water. 1 tablespoon should be enough, but you may need to add another one. Always check the consistency to make sure that it hasn't got too much water in it. Place your hand into the bowl and begin to bring the dough together. Be gentle. It's important not to activate the gluten in the flour. Wrap your pastry in cling film, rest it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Make sure you write your name on it. Use your claw grip to slice the apples safely. Make sure you have an anti-slip mat under your chopping board. We've done all our apples. Let's add in the brown sugar, the corn flour, the cinnamon, the lemon juice. Next, let's add in the cold water, 2 tablespoons. Next, make sure you give everything a really good stir so that all the apples are coated in the mixture. Lastly, add the golden sultanas and give it one last stir to make sure everything has been combined and coated. Place the apples on a medium heat and cook them for 4 to 6 minutes. The sauce should have thickened and the apples should be slightly soft. Don't overcook them as it will be being baked in the oven. So retrieve your pastry from the fridge, add some flour to the surface and some flour on your rolling pin. We're now going to divide our dough in half. Put one piece back into the plastic. So now that we've got our apple pie filled, we are now going to put egg wash around the edge to help stick the lids on.